Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to clear app defaults. Android is a mobile operating system based on a modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software, designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Over 70% of Android smartphones run Google's ecosystem, some with vendor-customized user interface and software suite, such as TouchWiz and later One UI by Samsung, and HTC Sense. Competing Android ecosystems and forks include Fire OS, developed by Amazon, or Lineage OS. However, the Android name and logo are trademarks of Google, which imposes standards to restrict the use of Android branding by uncertified devices outside their ecosystem. It's annoying when a link opens in a certain app rather than in the browser. It could be a YouTube link, a tweet, or a Facebook page, and you'll end up waiting around while your phone shuts down Chrome, or your browser of choice, and fires up something else. It's easily fixed. This is how it's done. Go through your phone to find the Settings app. Locate where it's written Apps and Notifications and find the app that keeps opening if it's there. Once there, scroll to find where it's opened by default and press on it. You should see if the default is set or not. Do this for all applications you think they might have a problem and clear their defaults. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.